Hi everyone, welcome to Shop Talk. We're going to Everato's MS200T chainsaw. He wanted to have a West Coast build, not to be used for any type of wood cutting. That's got that 16-inch bar and chain with that .050 Sylvie race chain. And if you look at that piece of wood we're carving on there, that is a dry kiln dug fir, and it's got about 3 large knots in it. And we're going to go right through those. That'll make that old saw work. Any questions on these West Coast test chainsaws, give the chainsaw guy a call.